Hello, my name is Ramon with DoorBird Technical Support. In this hands-on video, I'll walk you through the complete setup process of an indoor station. I'll show you how to connect the unit to internet, how to provide power to the unit, and how to easily set it up in the DoorBird app. Inside the box, you're going to find the unit. You'll find an optional power supply, a small parts bag, an optional Ethernet adapter, the installation manual of the unit, and you'll find the login credentials for the unit as well. The indoor station offers many connection possibilities. You can connect the unit to power utilizing the included power supply, and then you can connect it to Wi-Fi or connect it to a router by using the Ethernet adapter. And this Ethernet adapter also offers the possibility of connecting it to a PoE switch or a PoE injector. In this video, I'll connect the indoor station to Wi-Fi, so I'll have to use the power supply. Inside the small parts bag, there is a Phoenix 2 adapter. I have connected the power supply to it, making sure that in the first slot I have the black cable for negative and the red cable for positive. So I'm going to feed it through here, and I'll connect it on the far right terminal. Just have to line it up. Perfect. Feed it through here, and next I'll connect the power supply to a wall outlet. Alright, I know that the indoor station successfully got power, as there is going to be a blue LED light that illuminates. So I'm just going to wait for the screen to let me know what's next.
No network.
Perfect. The unit has played a diagnostic message letting us know that there is not a network connection, so it's given us some installation instructions. Essentially, it's letting us know to either connect the LAN cable or to perform the Wi-Fi setup in the DoorBird app. Since we're going to be doing the Wi-Fi setup, we're going to be utilizing the DoorBird app to perform the Wi-Fi setup, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so I'm going to open up my DoorBird app. Here I'm going to scroll down. Under further functionality, I'm going to select Wi-Fi setup. Here it's going to give me a list of Wi-Fi compatible devices. I'm going to select the last one, which is the DoorBird IP video indoor station, letting me know that I can connect the indoor station via router or Wi-Fi. I'm going to hit next to proceed, letting me know that if an Ethernet cable is already connected, to disconnect it, as the unit does not support both Wi-Fi and a LAN connection at the same time. So I'll hit next. And here it's going to ask me to briefly cycle power to the unit, essentially unplug it and plug it back in. So I'm going to do that real quick. All right, wait about 5 seconds. All right, and then I'll reconnect it. Perfect. Now that I've done that, I'll hit next. It's going to ask us to wait until the indoor station tells us no network. This could take up to 2 minutes. So I'll wait for that. I see that it illuminated already, so I'm just going to wait for the unit to play me a diagnostic message.
No network.
Perfect. Now that I've heard no network, next. And it's going to ask us to press and hold the set button on the back of the indoor station for 10 seconds and then release it. And it should play a diagnostic message letting us know that the Wi-Fi setup mode has been enabled.
Wi-Fi setup mode enabled.
Perfect. Now that we heard that the Wi-Fi setup mode has been enabled, we'll press next. All right, now it's going to ask us to press continue and log in with the credentials from the digital passport, which were enclosed with the device. So I'll hit continue, and that's going to take me to a login page. I'm going to press the little QR square at the top right, and now I'll have to scan the digital passport, which has a single QR code. I'm going to line it up. Perfect. Now I'm going to hit continue. So it'll ask me if I want to join the DoorBird EE70. It's essentially an ad hoc network, so I'll do join. And I'll wait for that. Perfect. I'm going to select, it's asking me to select a list of Wi-Fi networks which are found by the device. I'll hit OK. And here I'm going to connect to my DoorBird 2.4 network. I'll enter my password, select OK. Perfect. It looks like it successfully saved it. So it's going to ask us to cycle power to the unit once more.
Successfully connected to internet.
Perfect. Now that it connected to the internet, the next step is to pair it to the DoorBird. I'm going to open up the DoorBird app. I'll head to the settings, go into administration, and I'm going to log in to the administrator of my DoorBird D11. So I'll do that. Here, I'm going to scroll down to the peripherals. I'll go to settings. There's no peripherals added yet. I'll press add. Select the DoorBird IP video indoor station, and it's going to ask me to enter the credentials of the indoor station. So I'm going to press the QR square at the top right, and I'll point it on the QR code for that piece of paper. I'll select continue. Perfect. It looks like it found the device, so I'm going to just name it indoor station. For the permissions, since I'm not going to utilize any relays, I'll grant the relay and input permissions individually. I'll name this indoor station as well, and I'll hit save. Perfect. It looks like the pairing was successful. All right, now that the pairing is completed, the next step is to test it out. To do that, I'll press the call button. All right, looks like the video populated, and I did hear the indoor station play its sound. Last thing to check is the relay, so I'll press the key icon, and I get the relay 1 triggered message. And that's it. That's pretty much done. Easy. This has been Ramon. Thank you so much for watching.